Artificial intelligence has transformed our world in ways we could hardly have imagined just a few decades ago. When I think about the top breakthroughs, it's like tracing the evolution of a new kind of intelligence that's reshaping everything from how we work to how we interact. First, there's the advent of deep learning. This technique, inspired by the human brain, allowed machines to learn from vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns and making decisions with unprecedented accuracy. It's the backbone of so many applications today, from voice recognition to image classification. Then we have natural language processing, which has revolutionized how we communicate with machines. Remember when talking to a computer felt like speaking to a brick wall? Now, thanks to advancements in NLP, we can have conversations with AI that feel almost human. It's not just about understanding commands anymore. It's about context, nuance, and even emotion. Third on the list is reinforcement learning. This breakthrough has enabled AI to learn through trial and error, much like how we do. It's what powered AlphaGo to defeat the world champion in Go, a game so complex that it was thought to be beyond the reach of machines. Next, we can't overlook computer vision. With the ability to interpret and understand visual information, AI has opened doors in fields like healthcare, where it can analyze medical images with incredible precision, often surpassing human experts. Finally, there's the rise of generative models like GPT and DALL-E, which can create text and images that are indistinguishable from those made by humans. This is not just about mimicking creativity, it's about expanding the boundaries of what we consider possible. Each of these breakthroughs is a stepping stone, leading us into a future where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator in our journey.